Hello everyone, welcome back to Autopulse. This year, American roads are seeing more and more of these compact, three-wheeled homes on wheels. They're not just an eco-conscious alternative to traditional RVs, they're a whole new way of experiencing the country. First, size. In a world where everything seems to be getting bigger and more complicated, camper tricycles offer the exact opposite. Compact enough to fit in a standard parking spot, but cleverly designed to include a sleeping area, basic kitchen features, and storage, these trikes give you just what you need and nothing more. But don't let the size fool you. The design innovations in 2025 are impressive. Modular interiors are becoming the norm, with fold-out beds, convertible desks, solar-powered lights, and even micro-sinks and induction cooktops that run on a small battery bank. Some models even offer pop-up roofs or expandable sidewalls that double your space when parked. It's tiny living, perfected for the road. Most American camper tricycles this year are electric or hybrid electric pedal systems. The e-assist motors make hills manageable and long distances more realistic, even with a full load. On a full charge, you can often travel 30 to 60 miles depending on terrain and battery size, perfect for slow travel, scenic routes, and overnight camping at national parks or designated camping spots. Solar panels are a game changer. Mounted on the roof or unfoldable from the side, they keep your batteries topped up during the day. That means you can power fans, lights, charge your devices, and even run a tiny fridge all without needing to plug into anything. It's clean, it's quiet, and it's incredibly freeing. Compared to the average RV or camper van, a camper tricycle is just a fraction of the price. You can build one for under $5000 if you're handy, or buy a new, fully equipped model for anywhere from $6000 to $12000. Maintenance costs are low, insurance is minimal, and there's no gas bill if you stay electric. The camper tricycle isn't just a vehicle. It's a statement. It's about slowing down, being more in touch with the places you pass through, and cutting back on the things you don't need. Whether you're camping by a lake in Oregon, rolling through the deserts of Arizona, or winding through Appalachian hills, you're connected to your environment in a way no RV or van could offer. There's a strong community behind it, too. Across the US, local trike gatherings and micro-rallies are popping up, where enthusiasts show off their rigs, share build tips, and plan group rides. You'll find Facebook groups, forums, and even trike camper-specific apps that help you find free campsites, low-traffic routes, and DIY repair guides. And speaking of DIY, many American camper trikes are home-built. People are converting cargo tricycles, old electric delivery trikes, or building their own from the frame up. Some use recycled materials or 3D printed parts to reduce waste. It's not just transportation, it's a creative project, a personal journey, and a home all rolled into one. In 2025, several US startups are catering to this niche market. Brands like Trike, EcoPod Cruiser, and Nomad are building lightweight, stylish camper trikes with futuristic designs, customizable modules, and surprisingly high comfort levels. And American consumers are responding with enthusiasm, especially younger travelers, retired adventurers, and minimalist digital nomads. Of course, there are challenges. Weather protection can be limited, depending on the build. You won't have a bathroom on board, so you'll need to plan for rest stops or carry a portable solution. And while these vehicles are more stable than bikes, you still need to stay aware of road conditions and plan your routes carefully. But for those who embrace it, the rewards are huge. Imagine parking just feet from the beach, opening your rear hatch, and falling asleep to the sound of waves. Or rolling into a small town festival and becoming the center of curiosity with your eye-catching rig. Or just waking up with the sunrise, coffee brewing on your portable stove, and the day's adventure waiting. Camper tricycles also represent a deeper shift. In a time of climate awareness, rising fuel costs, and a hunger for meaningful travel, they offer a sustainable, joyful, and approachable way to roam. You don't need a special license, you don't need to be rich, and you don't need to follow the crowd. So whether you're planning a cross-country journey or just a weekend escape, consider this: the best ride of your life might have only 3 wheels. And in 2025, the American camper tricycle is more than a trend, it's a movement.